Hello everybody, welcome to some of the most funny gig on Fiverr. I've been searching on Fiverr until I came across a lot of funny gig. Like for example, I have one here, prayer. You see someone say, I will intercede on your behalf to God in prayer for your need. So let's find out, let's see what it's all about. You see the person wrote here, I am blessed with a gift to be personally had by God and to be aware by God. I am. You see, there's a lot of things here, and the basic is, if this is in rupees premium. So let's search again. I give Christian prophecy, so at least 4 point something star. I mean, it is pretty much damn good, man. Seriously, I will write quality article and blog at your request. So these are some of the gigs that you can at least you can do them. I mean, it's not really there are a lot of them. I will remove any crush from you with prayer, and these are some of the things that at least you can study even with a little already or no skills. I see 19 here is in rupees. So that is the first one that I came across about prayer. So it's maybe if we can search again something. We have service of basic prayer. We have bass prayer. And at least see you have 5-star. I will be your professional session bass prayer. So guys, that is the first one. Let's move to the third. Another one is your lucky number. I mean, come on. At least you can stumble around number and even give somebody and it will work. Who knows? You never try. You never know. I will professionally translate English to Chinese in. Let's look at this one. I will give you lucky number unique to your name and your birthday. I mean, you see, it is something that you can, I believe, honestly, you can pretty much damn do this thing. I will wish happy birthday and say anything with wow, buffaloes. Man, extremely lucky number. So these are some of the gigs that I stumbled across Fiverr. I mean, I was, it was amazed that something like this, and they are making money. Let's move to the next gig. You see, send vibes. This is another funny gig. Let's check out this one. Very funny. There are more, so I just want to show you guys a few because this course is a crash course. I don't want to make it so long. You see, I will show obstacle which any prevent forward movement I will give you. So there's a lot of things you can go through with over 10 years of experience in physical and reading. So I offer blah blah blah. You see, I mean, it's amazing. The money is in rupees premium. And let's move forward to another one. It's another one, breakup. When I came across this one, I was shocked. I mean, it was so unbelievable. I will break up with your girlfriend or boyfriend. So let's take a look at this one. hello dear, making a decision to break up or actualizing a breakup with your partner may not be easy to, of course, may not be easy. I mean, and this one, there is, let's look at another one. 5 star, I will help you in your loneliness time and get you right off breakup. I will help you in your loneliness time and get you right off breakup. I mean, this one also is world is full of tension, stress, suffering, and 90% people are suffering due to their relationship issue. I am an ex-man, blah blah blah. And at least have how many star? Have a good review. 5 star. 3 review. I mean, this is something that if you just take some little time, I mean, you can study something and you're gonna do something from it. So we can search, at least it's just on one page, we can search so many of them. I will break up with your partner for you. I mean, it's like the world this time around is our only limit is our imagination. That is what limit us in the life of today. Just one to load. That is the only thing in our life for today is our imagination. That is what our imagination separate us from from so many things. Not from so many things, from others. Our imagination make us stand out, differentiate us from others, from our friends and from other colleagues. So I will break up with you or your partner for your voice text message. I just need the name of your partner. Wow, it is very very funny, guys. You can try this out. There are a lot of days. Okay, so but I'll list them down below so that you can go through your spec. I don't want this course to be so long. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.